Simon Intellect. I would like to show you something that my PC is suffering with. Now, my PC have an issue with my username and password because I am not using this PC for a while, and I don't remember what is the username and password, and I would like to break the username and password. For this I need a Windows 7 CD. I just inserted the bootable disk on my CD drive, and I will go to the restart, and I will wait. First of all, you must change the boot configuration to first priority to the CD drive, that is my RW disk. For that I must put F1 or F2. This PC is Lenovo, and it will be F1 or F2. I'm just pressing F1, and now you can see. Okay, and I will select the startup and primary boot configuration. First priority is DVD-RW, and then I will press F10 for saving this configuration. Okay. I just entered into the CD that is on my CD drive. It is bootable disk. It will take a while. Now you can see the starting Windows. This is the Windows logo of Windows 7. Now you can see. I just select next, and I will go to prepare your computer, and I will select the load drivers. Okay, now I will go to load drivers. Okay, then I will go to my computer and C drive and Windows system. I will press yes. Now you can see system 32, and then I will go to utilman. For that I will press U till I go the utilman. Utilman. Here is the utilman. There are two utilman. I will rename this utilman to utilman org, and then I will go to command. First of all, I will copy this utilman. Okay, I'm just using the name. Then I will go to command C, command.exe, cmd. cmd. Yes, here it is. Now I will rename this command to utilman, and I will press enter, and I will cancel this one, and cancel this one, and cancel this one. Now I will close this one also. Yes. Now I will wait to boot my PC from my hard disk. I will not press enter or any other key while showing this. I will wait for the boot, the logon menu, logon window. Yeah, here it is. Now I will press Alt, Control and Delete for logon, but I actually don't know the password, so I will go to this symbol. Now you can see the command prompt is here, and I will type net users. Now I will press enter. Now you can see one is Duest, the other one is MDB1 NSOC. Now I will select the user account. That is, first of all, I will type net space user. My user account here is MDB1, and I just selected the MDB1 or typed that, and then I put a password for that. Okay, then I will press enter. The command is completed successfully. Now I will check the account is active or not. For that, you must type mdb1 slash active, then full colon yes. Command is successful. If you want to disable that one, then you will type no here. And now I will type sit, and I will press Alt Control and Delete. Now I selected Alt Control Delete, and I put my username and password. Now you can see it is a welcome screen, and it is okay and fine. Now you can see my desktop appear easily. Now you can change the password here also. Go to my computer, manage, and then user. Now you can see NSOC and MDB1. If you want to set a password, you can set password from here. You can rename or any other thing you want to do from here. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share this link to your colleagues and friends. Thank you very much.